Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 herbivores animals with their correct spellings and pronunciations. And here we go. Number 1. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Number 2. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Number 3. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Number 4. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Number 5. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Number 6. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Number 7. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Number 8. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Number 9. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Number 10. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more.